The Porsche Macan, combining exhilarating performance, sure-footed traction and compact proportions, was once again the best-selling Porsche in 2021, drawing in 24,716 new customers in the US alone. Now, to add to the already successful story of the Macan, which experienced a record sales year in 2021, Porsche is introducing a new variant to the lineup. Porsche Cars North America will add the Macan T2 for the 2023 model year range. This is the first four-door sports car that will bear the special designation for the brand, which was previously reserved exclusively for the 718 and 911 models. The letter T, which stands for Touring, has represented a unique form of dynamic driving at Porsche since the 1960s. The Touring badge identifies models that offer an especially authentic driving experience thanks to precise tuning, exclusive equipment and efficient engines. True to the spirit of the Porsche 911 from 1968, the new Macan T features a compact, but powerful, 2-liter turbo engine, combined with an array of standard equipment that is ideal for spirited driving. This new variant is positioned between the Macan and the Macan S. 2-liter turbo engine with 261 horsepower, lightweight and agile. The 2-liter, 4-cylinder turbo engine of the Macan T combines great agility, low weight and a compact design to create a package that offers an ideal balance of weight and performance for the spirited driver. Compared to the 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine in the Macan S and GTS models, the powertrain in the Macan T weighs 129 pounds, less on the front axle, which gives the vehicle particularly nimble handling and optimal cornering ability. The engine in the Macan T produces 261 horsepower and 295 pound-ft of torque, and is coupled with a quick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (PDK) and the Porsche Traction Management (PTM) all-wheel drive system. The Porsche Traction Management System provides a precise distribution of torque and responsive acceleration in all driving situations. Sport Chrono package, including both the mode switch and sport response button on the steering wheel, is fitted as standard on the Macan T, helping it accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds and reach a top track speed of 144 miles per hour. Chassis: the Macan T will feature the Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) as standard. The Porsche Traction Management (PTM) has also been adapted to suit spirited driving demands of the Macan T, and has been specifically tuned with a bias of power distribution to the rear axle to help the Macan T accelerate out of corners even more assertively. When equipped with the optional adaptive air suspension with PASM, the Macan T is fitted with model-specific anti-roll bars which have been stiffened to further decrease body roll and increase handling sharpness of the vehicle. Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus (PTV Plus), which has been adapted to agile characteristics of the T model, can also be added as an option to further sharpen the driving dynamics. Exclusive styling cues inside and out. Design elements painted in agate gray metallic on the front, side, and rear of the Macan T differentiate the vehicle from other derivatives in the model range. The exclusive contrast color is found on the front trim, exterior mirrors, side blades, roof spoiler and rear logos. Sport tailpipes and side window surrounds in high-gloss black are standard, and the side blades feature the Macan T logo in black. A set of 20-inch Macan S design wheels, available exclusively on this variant in dark titanium and one size up from the wheels on the regular Macan, 19-inch, come as standard. Customers can choose from a range of 13 standard, metallic or special colors for the exterior. The interior of the Macan T has its own distinct ambience to underscore the driving enthusiast-focused nature of the vehicle. The standard, 8-way electrically adjustable heated sports seats feature exclusive upholstery. The centers of the front seats and the outer rear seats are fitted with the Sporttex stripe pattern, and the front headrests each have an embossed Porsche crest. The contrasting color from the exterior continues inside the vehicle in the form of decorative silver stitching on the seats, headrests and steering wheel. Standard interior equipment also includes a multifunction heated GT Sport steering wheel, the Sport Chrono stopwatch in the upper part of the dashboard, and door sill guards in black aluminum with an embossed Macan T logo. The Macan T benefits from all of the new elements of the Macan model generation updated last year, such as the new center console with haptic touch elements, a larger open storage compartment, standard front heated seats, and a shorter gear lever. Ordering and pricing. The Macan T will be available to configure and order with your local dealer in the US starting early spring alongside the complete MY23 Macan model line announcement, with pricing to be announced at the same time.